Google recently released its amazing updates for Chrome browser, that is Ask Gemini. Now you can interact with Gemini AI in Google Chrome. So in this video you will see how we can use Ask Gemini feature. So let's go on computer screen. Here you can see this is a website of Google, and here is some information about Lyria 3. On top right corner you can see logo of Gemini with text Ask Gemini. Click on it. Here you can see Gemini interface. Now if you want to know about any tab or page, you can just type @ and then select any tab. I am typing @ and then I will select this tab, Lyria Gemini, and I am typing prompt explain this tab information. Then I will click on forward icon. Here you can see Ask Gemini is explaining everything about selected tab. Here Gemini is showing core capabilities and other use case of Lyria 3. Now I am opening new tab and we will open another website to test Ask Gemini. So here you can see this is another website of Google, and it is about AI Impact Summit 2026. In right side section you can see Ask Gemini is showing suggestion regarding this page. Here I am typing query related to this page. This is all information about AI Impact Summit 2026. If you want to gather some information about another tab, you can just type @ and then select particular tab. Now I want information about previous tab, that is Lyria. Here I have selected Lyria from this recent tabs list, and I want information about Lyria 3 in this Ask Gemini section. Now I am typing prompt. So here you can see all information about Lyria 3 in Ask Gemini section. However, left part of this tab is showing another information. So using Ask Gemini we can do multiple things at the same time. You can open Ask Gemini using Alt+G. Another feature of Ask Gemini is you can use Gemini Live on desktop. Just tap on Gemini Live icon. What is appearing in my computer screen?
Sure, I can see that you're on the Google India blog page.
So it was a small introduction of Ask Gemini and its feature in Google Chrome browser. So if this video is helpful for you, drop a comment in comment section and subscribe this channel for more updates.